Have you ever heard of a king who was worshipped as a god, a leader who stood against fascism on the world stage, and a symbol of African unity? This is the incredible story of Haile Selassie, the last Emperor of Ethiopia. Born as Tafari Makanan in 1892, he was a descendant of the Solomonic dynasty, a line of rulers said to trace back to King Solomon and the Queen of Sheba. From a young age, Tafari was intelligent and ambitious. He quickly rose through the ranks of the Ethiopian court, proving himself a skilled administrator and a progressive reformer. By 1916, he became the regent and effective ruler of Ethiopia, working tirelessly to modernize his country. He introduced new technologies, reformed the legal system, and, in a landmark move, abolished slavery. His goal was to secure Ethiopia's place as a respected, independent nation on the global stage. In 1930, he was crowned Emperor Haile Selassie, Aname Myaning, Power of the Trinity. His coronation was a magnificent event, capturing the world's attention. As emperor, he continued his reforms, establishing Ethiopia's first written constitution in 1931. But his reign would soon face its greatest test. In 1935, fascist Italy under Mussolini invaded Ethiopia. The world watched as the poorly equipped Ethiopian army fought bravely against a modern European military power. Haile Selassie himself often went to the front lines to inspire his troops. Forced into exile, Haile Selassie did not give up. In 1936, he delivered a legendary and powerful speech at the League of Nations in Geneva. He warned the world that if they failed to act against Italy's aggression, it would spell doom for all small nations, and the very principle of collective security. His prophetic words, "It is us today, it will be you tomorrow," echoed through the halls of history, though at the time, his plea fell on deaf ears. He became a global symbol of resistance against fascism. During World War II, Haile Selassie worked with the British to liberate his homeland. In 1941, after a 5-year exile, he made a triumphant return to his capital, Addis Ababa, and reclaimed his throne. The post-war years were a time of great influence for the emperor. He played a crucial role in the decolonization of Africa and was a founding father of the Organization of African Unity. With its headquarters established in Addis Ababa, he was seen by many as the father of Africa, a statesman who championed Pan-Africanism and unity. But back home, his story became more complex. While he was celebrated internationally, discontent was growing within Ethiopia. Critics pointed to the slow pace of political reform, widespread poverty, and a devastating famine in the 1970s that was hidden from the world. Meanwhile, a movement far away in Jamaica, Rastafarianism, had begun to worship him as a divine figure, the second coming of Christ, a belief he himself did not encourage. In 1974, a military coup led by a Marxist faction known as the Derg overthrew the aging emperor. Haile Selassie was placed under house arrest, and his long, eventful reign came to an abrupt and quiet end. He passed away in 1975 under mysterious circumstances. From a provincial governor to an emperor, a global icon of resistance, and a symbol of African pride, the life of Haile Selassie is a captivating saga of power, prophecy, and paradox. He remains one of the most significant and debated figures of the 20th century. What are your thoughts on this complex, historical figure? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories from history.